This is my top 3. Natanggal. Hello guys, ayan no. So for today's video ay mag-unboxing tayo ng new sets of perfume. This time mula naman sa Fragrance Lab. Ayan no, so nag-order tayo ng 10 perfume na 10 ml only. First up, we have here Happy Man. Sobrang vibrant ng amoy ng Happy Man, no? Magugustuhan ko na talagang scent na Happy Man. So for the start, I think I will give it 9.3 over 10. Be Rich perfume. I am not familiar with this scent. So, ayan. Uy! Natanggal. Sorry. Okay, let's try. Woody. Pero siyang vanilla, I guess. Gusto ko rin ng V-Roach 450. My rating will be 9.5 over 10. Next up, we have here Blanche Clean. Blanche Clean. Pwede na. Pero ano siya, pwede siya sa mga mahilig mag outdoor activity, hot weather environment, pang daily. So if you are a student na nasa public school, this lunchman, pwede sa'yo. For me, this is 9 over 10. Famous Savage Man. This is a overhyped perfume. Tingnan natin ang take ng nila, Savage Man. Kasi siya eh. Kasi level siya nung St. Geeks na first na try ko na inspired na Savage Man or Savage na perfume. I like this Savage Man ng Fragrance Lab. For me, this is 9.6 over 10. We have Blue Man. Tayo. If you spray it, malakas ang niya eh. Fresh spicy niya, malakas ang pagka-citrusy. Ayan. Pero on the dry down level, mabango naman siya. 9 over 10. Next, the Santalud. Ayan. I'm sorry. I'm not really into Santalud na perfume eh. 7 over 10. Uy, the famous sa kanilang lineup, the Home Eclat. Tingnan natin. No wonder. Grabe. Hands up. Ang kanilang Home Eclat, the best talaga. Other than Fluid Silver, Home Eclat, the best tong Home Eclat nila. This is 9.8 over 10. And the last one, we have Ultraman. Ayan. Ultraman. Okay, the DNA of Ultraman is there. Merong pagka bubblegummy, minty, vanilla. Ayan. Compare sa sa Florence ng Ultramale, mas gusto ko ang Fragrance Lab na Ultramale tape. So for me, this is 9.5 over 10. Among these 10 perfume na finisher natin mula sa Fragrance Lab, this is my top 3. Home Eclat, CK Man, and then Polo Blue. Ayun siya. So again, CK Man, Home Eclat, and then Polo Blue. So yun lang. See you next time.